pie charts and maps. Let's start by creating a new worksheet and name it pie chart. Let's use the first data source by selecting it. Double-click on product group and put it to columns. Next, double-click on hardware sales. Go to Show Me and select Pie Chart. Since it's very small, let's switch the view to Entire View. On the right, we don't need this legend. Click on the triangle icon and choose Hide Card. Like for line charts, right-click and edit colors. Let's assign some representative color for each product group. To make the sections more clear, click on the color icon. Go to Border and select the black color. Next, to show the product group name directly in the chart, drag the dimension to the marks card or directly to the label icon. Now we can see the product group name. Let's also edit the tooltip. Click on the tooltip icon. Now, we can easily know about the sales for each group. Apart from pie chart, another popular but similar one is the donut chart. Before we start making it, let's change the title and call it Hardware Sales by Product Category. Let's also rename the worksheet to Donut Charts. Now, let's create a dummy calculated field. Type 0 and click OK. Drag the field to rows twice. Right-click on any one of the measure and choose Dual Axis. First, let's clean the interface. Right-click on the axis and deselect Show Header. Then, let's remove the lines by right-clicking the space and choose Format. On the right, go to Borders and remove the lines. Next, in the marks card, choose the bottom pie chart. Remove all the measures and dimensions. Now, reduce the size of the pie chart. And change the color. Remove the tooltip too, so that no text would be shown if we hover our mouse over the middle. Now, because the donut chart is quite small, let's go to the first pie chart and increase its size. Adjust the size of the inner pie charts too. Now we have a donut chart. In a new worksheet, let's import the relevant data set called Sales by Geolocation. Here, we can see that country is indeed assigned a geographic role. Going back to our worksheet, let's rename it to map. To begin with, let's double-click on longitude and latitude. A map appears by default. Next, drag country to the marks card. Dots appear. To change this to show an area, click on the drop-down menu here and choose Map. Next, drag and drop total sales to the color icon. Now, higher sales will result in a darker blue color. We can also show the name of the country by dragging and dropping country to the label icon. Again, we can edit the label text. Optionally, we can try to filter by date. Drag the date to the filter shelf. See here that some icons are in green and some icons are in blue. In fact, green stands for continuous, while blue stands for discrete. Continuous fields are treated as an infinite range. They generally add access to the view, while discrete values are actually finite. Generally, they add headers to the view. In this case, we can choose the discrete value for year so that we can select a specific year. Alternatively, we can choose the continuous values such as relative date, range of dates, starting date, ending date, and special values. This is the end of the module. You can move on to the next module, making dashboards in Tableau.